Welcome back. We are talking about event listener interface. I repeat. So these are the main interfaces or commonly used in event listener interfaces. Out of this 12 interfaces, we'll be using these two interfaces in our coming programs. One is a mouse listener interface, which has got five methods to recognize when the mouse is clicked, enters a component, exit a component, is pressed or is released. So these are the five methods under this interface. And if you come to this mouse motion listener, we have got again two methods to recognize when the mouse is dragged or moved. So please focus on these two interfaces, because using these two interfaces we have the next program. Yeah. So this in detail about all the interfaces. Our focus is on these two interface. Say mouse listener interface. So if you look at if you implement this interface in your program, you have to implement these five methods. What are those? Mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse pressed, and mouse released. So please remember this. This interface has got this many methods. And if you look at mouse motion listener interface, which has got two methods. One is mouse dragged, other one is mouse move. So when you implement mouse motion listener interface, you have to implement these two methods. So let us see a small program for this. Before we see uh, program using that, let us see how to use delegation event model. So please be very careful with this. When we use delegation event model, it is actually very, or which is quite easy. We just follows two steps. So please take little more care in this. So what is the first thing when we implement delegation event model? We have to implement two steps. The first one is implement appropriate interfaces in the listener. Implement appropriate interface. We have got 10 to 12 interfaces commonly used, so that it will receive the type of event desired. What kind of event which has to receive, which is able to receive it. So first thing is you are going to implement appropriate interface in the listener. In the listener, you are going to what do you call you are going to implement this. Second one is implement code to register and unregister the listener as a recipient for the event notification. You have to implement interface, the first thing. Second thing is you have to implement code to register and unregister the listeners. You have to register the listener. Inside the listener, you have to implement the interface. These are two things. I repeat, we have a source. Every source has to register with some listeners. So this is a telling about this. Implement code to register and unregister the listener, so that they can receive the notifications. Source is going to register with the listener, and listener has to implement the interfaces. This is as simple as this, nothing else. I repeat, delegation event model is having a source and listener. Source has to register with the listener. Listener has to implement the interfaces. That's it. Okay. So let us see the what you call handling mouse events. So normally, which is having two interfaces. One is mouse listener, other one is mouse motion listener. I told mouse listener has got its own five methods. So when you implement this mouse listener interface, you have to implement all the methods. Mouse motion listener has got two methods. So now what we are going to do is we are going to write a program which is going to display something like, each time a button is pressed, which is going to show you the word down. Each time when the button is released, which is going to up, a message called up. Whenever a mouse enters or exit the applet window, a message is going to be displayed like no uh, mouse entered. You're going to show these messages, and whenever you drag a mouse, which is going to show a star symbol. And let us see how we can write this. I repeat, we are going to write a program which is going to display a message on the screen or messages on the screen, something like each time a button is pressed, which is going to show a down message. Each time a button is released, which is going to show up message. And whenever mouse enter or exit the applet window, I will tell you what is the applet window. A message is displayed on the upper left corner of the applet display area. Upper left. And next one is whenever mouse is being dragged, which is going to show a star symbol. So let us see how we can write this program. So before we write this, uh, we are going to make use of something called the applet. And for applets, we have something called applet viewer. I repeat, applets are tiny Java programs which cannot be compiled using your normal Java compilers. You cannot use your NetBeans or Eclipse for that. You need to have a separate viewer for this. So we have to use something called the applet viewer, and uh, for that you have to create a screen for that. What is the size of the screen you want to create, all the things. The coming videos I'll explain how this can be done. Thank you.